If you recorded videos for a yoga course to share online but they didn't turn out in the best quality, here is a way to enhance them. It's gonna take 2 steps, it's very simple, anyone can do it. Hey everyone, I'm Dan from Wondershare UniConverter. So today we're gonna use the UniConverter, so be sure to have it. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it, open it up. You'll find the AI video enhancer tool on the home interface. It's within the AI lab right over here, so click on it. Then import the first yoga course video that you want to enhance. Okay, here are the 2 steps. We're going to turn this low quality yoga video to this high quality one. Check it out. Quick sneak peek, you like it? Then let's continue. So first we're going to use the AI Upscaler tool to give this video a higher resolution. Note that upscaling and resizing are not the same things. Resizing means stretching out existing pixels, while upscaling means generating new ones. So click on the upscaler here and then choose from either a 2x or 4x upscaling. Then just choose an output folder and then click on export. When the process is finished, click on the replace files and import your newly exported upscaled video. So our video is already enhanced and in a better quality, but as a cherry on top, we'll tweak it even further. In order to be able to slow a video down and get a nice and smooth result, it needs to have a high frame rate. In the case of your yoga course, it might be important to be able to slow down a position or movement that you're doing so the viewers can understand it better. A video is the result of still images being played consequently at a high speed. A frame rate, it's an amount of frames played within a second. Now, when you slow a video down, you play the frames for a longer time. So if you don't have enough frames, you'll get a stuttery look. One frame, one still image will be visible for a longer period of time. A standard FPS for videos is 25-30. But to slow a video down and start getting a nice result, you'll need at least double that amount. Now, by interpolating frames, essentially generating new ones, we're going to be able to do that even if our video has a low FPS originally. So click on the frame interpolation function and then down here select either a 2x or 4x ratio. The higher the frame rate, the more you can slow a video down. And finally, click on export. Wait until the process is finished. And now let's look at the video before and after. And this is the original video slowed down. And this is the new one. Notice the difference? Well, if you found today's video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.